My name is Mrs. Judith Esiama. I'm the Director of Nursing and Midwifery Services of the University of Ghana Medical Center. I support nursing now. I believe that it will encourage my nurses and empower them to take part when it comes to decision making. And then it will also open doors for them to have networking with other nurses abroad. Thank you very much.
My name is Dr. Kwame Enimboama, Director for Medical Affairs at the University of Ghana Medical Center. I support the Nursing Now initiative.
My name is Henry Akon. I'm a perioperative nurse specialist. I take care of your surgical needs, pre-op, intra-op, and post-op. I support Nursing Now.
I'm Sarah Izifo.
Jenna Yankee, Chris Gungo. We are the nurses with the third eye. We stand tall. Together, we support Nursing Now.
Nurses are great and wonderful people. I am Edu Bismarck, a nurse. I wear many hats with kindness and passion. I support Nursing Now campaign.
I am Victoria Tete Agete.
I am Juliet Aluti.
We are midwives. We are your companion at birth and are the first to welcome babies to the world. Together, we support Nursing Now.
First Labwaje is the name.
Amatu Adams.
We are your post-op nurses. Together, we support Nursing Now.
Support Nursing Now.